In this lecture, we are going to talk about the intern method. This intern method returns a canonical representation for a string object. The intern method may save a lot of memory for our application. So what is it exactly? When the intern method is invoked, if the pool, so the constant string pool, already contains a string equal to this string object, then the string from the pool is going to be returned. Otherwise, this string object is added to the pool and the reference to this string object is returned. By the way, Java automatically interns string literals. So if we create something like this is exactly what we have been talking about in a theoretical section. That whenever we create a string like this, then the string itself is going to be added to the string pool. So it is like calling the intern method automatically. It means that the intern method is to be used on strings that are constructed with the new keyword. So for example, we have a constant string with a string literal with value Kevin. What's going to happen in the background? Because we create the string like this, then it is going to be added to the constant string pool. What if we create a string like this with the new keyword? In this case, an object is going to be created outside the pool somewhere on the heap memory. So what does it mean exactly? That the constant string double equal sign new string, it's going to be false. Why? Because they are pointing to different memory locations. This Kevin string is in the string pool. This Kevin object is on the heap memory outside the scope of the string pool. So this is why the double equal sign, as you can see, is false. Of course, the values are the same, so Kevin is equals to Kevin. So this is why the equals method is going to return true. So if we use the intern method on this variable, then what's going to happen? This Kevin is going to be inserted into the string pool. Of course, there's already a Kevin, so it is not going to be inserted, but more important that the reference to the string pool object is going to be returned, and the new string is going to point to the same memory location as the constant string in this case. So this is why after calling the intern method, this string object is going to be added to the string pool if necessary, which means that the double equals sign in this case will return true. Of course, the equals method will return true, but it is quite straightforward because Kevin is the same as Kevin. So the values are matching, no question at all. So what happened in the background? Before calling the intern method, the new string was pointing to the heap to an object with value Kevin. After calling the intern method, the new string is pointing to the string constant pool to an object which value is Kevin. So after the intern method, constant string and new string are pointing to the same object in the pool. So this is why we can use intern method. It is crucial that if we use something like this, so with string literals, then the intern method is going to be called automatically, which means that this object is added to the string constant pool. So that's all about the intern method. Thanks for watching.